I thought this was a wonderful session. I just absolutely love the activity that we got to go around and put stereotypes on each other's back. I think that we were all a little nervous when we got started and hesitant as to, who's going to say what about me based on the way I look. And it was really challenging to think of, she asked us to be honest about our stereotypes when we gave those to others, but it was really challenging to think of stereotypes that I would want to share with others, to be honest, but to not be offensive as well. I love the way that the activity was on our backs so that we could do it in private, but then we could come back to the tables and then discuss what it was that others thought about us, and we got to share whether those were true or accurate, and then that helped us also just share more about ourselves and really help dispel stereotypes that oftentimes people automatically come up with based on our appearance. I would suggest this workshop to teachers, organizations, and individuals. In fact, I invited an individual to come with me this evening who is so excited about just going through the workbook on their own, just to start to understand other cultures. That really is interested in understanding other cultures. So the workshop that Esther has put together is just beautiful, and I think it's going to be wonderful for us to go through it. I do think that organizations could use this workshop to help bring together their employees or the groups, the people that are in their organization. I also think teachers, oh my goodness, because I do agree. I think we discovered some this evening that a lot of times stereotypes can be generated from their peers. So teachers definitely could use the strategies that she has in these workbooks to help their classes begin to identify their stereotypes and then break those down just by having conversations and following the techniques and the strategies that Esther's put in here. So just really help us identify why we have them and how we can overcome those, because I definitely know that we can, but it has to start with our youth. I am Jennifer and I accept my heritage.